of our good competitors is a company called Renewal by Andersen, and their product is called Fibrex. Fibrex is a composite material, and it is stronger than an all vinyl frame, which the vast majority of our competitors are vinyl frames. The Fibrex is stronger than a vinyl material. Our window design is a combo frame. It is a vinyl frame reinforced inside with molded fiberglass. Our selling point is you have the efficiency, maintenance-free, easy to clean that vinyl has to offer, but because it's reinforced with the molded fiberglass inside that, you have the strength and durability that molded fiberglass has to offer. And because the molded fiberglass is encased inside the vinyl, it doesn't have to be painted or maintained or anything like that for aesthetics purposes. So you have the best of both worlds with neither of the downsides. Fibrex is a composite material, stronger than vinyl, as I said, but it's still not as strong as our frame. Their warranty is, I don't want to screw this up, it's, I believe, 20 to 10 or something like that. 20 years on the glass and seals, 2 years on the labor, 10 on the frame. Could be wrong, they do change those, so I'm not trying to, argue either way on that one. Fibrex is the very same material as composite decking. So it's stronger than vinyl, because they don't make decks out of vinyl flooring, because you couldn't walk on it, you'd fall through, but they can make it out of Trex. It's stronger than vinyl, but it's still affected by heat, and it's still not as strong as a wood window. With our frame, it's a vinyl frame reinforced with molded fiberglass, which makes it much stronger, which is why we offer triple glass, where most companies stop at double glass, because our frame's strong enough to support the weight of the third pane of glass. And the third pane of glass gives you a second layer of insulation, meaning two insulating barriers instead of one, and blah, 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 blah. So that's the big difference between Fibrex and our frames.